Today I have another printmaking experiment for you, so if you'd like to see how I created this print and to others, stay with me. So this is another experiment with laser-engraved plate. I bought my laser a month ago, maybe month and a half, and I'm just learning and experimenting. Usually people use laser-engraved plates for relief printmaking, but because I'm Intaglio printmaker mainly, I'm trying to use this way. So I got this idea of creating this half circle shape, and I had an image in my head I want to get. Of course, not everything went as smooth as I expected. My laser stopped working, so I had to do it a couple times, add some other images, and here you can see the plate which is inked up. And that was the first proof print. So I inked it Intaglio way, wiped, and that's the result. And I must say I'm quite happy. I like circles, so I had this idea of create those prints with circles, and this is like half of a circle I'm going to use. I think I got quite interesting textures, and I like this final result. So here I have two plates. One is the plate you already seen. The other one is a cardboard plate, cut and engraved with laser as well. So now I'm going to print a circle. I inked the plate Intaglio, and I also did a very translucent surface roll with a light blue color. And this is the print. I'm quite happy with the result. So I had the idea of adding some color, and this is the third trial with those plates. So I made this like rainbow roll, and I'm inking this cardboard plate. Blue and green, and now I'm inking the second plate with a toothbrush. That's how I usually ink my Intaglio or Collagraph or carborundum plates. And this is inked plate before wiping. So now it's time to wipe with tarlatan. And you can see on the right there is this plate with a tree. So if you haven't seen, I have another video showing 3 prints from that plate: relief print and Intaglio print. So you can also see that. Here I'm doing the final wipe with phone book page. And I have also many other Collagraph and carborundum tutorials on my channel if you haven't seen them yet. And now I'm doing a surface roll. I didn't record that, but I did a surface roll on that Intaglio inked plate. And it's time to print. So let's see. So that's the print. I'm quite happy. I will be experimenting with more different colors and with more plates like that. Let me know what do you think about this idea about using laser to engrave your plates. I was using wood to engrave that plate. And check out my other videos, my other printmaking tutorials and book reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.